Hey guys, what's up guys? So, welcome to the PGM Toy Part 1. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the PGM Toys. Today, we go to do. We got Max X's here. Shit. Alright, so. Shit! Ah! I'm gonna take out. We're gonna shut off this one and then. Fine! Let's go fame. Alright, stay! I'm gonna be. I'm sorry, guys. That's it! What? Shoot!
Sabor. Upa. Upa. Quetita y Manuel Rojas.
Alright, so it's dark! I got. Alright, so I think you're heat up next to the Lord. Fine. What the spit? So sauce. Damn. Hey guys. I guess so. Dang it. I'll be for your music. Alright, so. Hey! Alright, guys, so. Look at the truck. What's up? Yeah. Upside down. Oh yeah, I put my phone upside down. Oh, we got upside down. Right, that's up. Look at that, it's by itself. Gonna max. So look at this, nice. Look at the butt. Oh, I guess so. I got. Motherfucker frozen.
Miss Rabbit has fixed the machine too much. Now all the balls have fallen out.
I'd better put these back.
Oh yeah.
But I think you and this for helping me fix the machine.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit. This is for you.
Everyone loves the toy machine, and George really loves dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, so oh yeah, so oh god.
Really fun.
Oh yeah, so
Have fun. But there isn't much photo paper left, so use it wisely.
George loves taking lots of photos.
Oh dear, it's run out of photo paper.
Oh, but I love taking pictures.
Why don't we use my phone's camera instead? It can even add filters to a photo.
Daddy Pig's phone camera has given George a pretend moustache.
Come on, George. Let's take more photos.
Peppa and George are having lots of fun taking pictures. The phone camera has given Mummy Pig a flowery filter.
Say cheese.
And
Take a little
Grandpa Pig
bass.
has a very fine hat.
Yes, sir.
Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig have come to the park to take even more photos.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Bird.
Oh, yes,
What a funny photo!
yes.
Daddy Pig wants to take a photo with Peppa and George by themselves.
There we go.
Cheese, everybody.
Still gone. 7 update.
Peppa and George are sticking all the photos from
Alright, it's got.
into a scrapbook.
Alright, it's got the apps update.
But some of the photos
We
aren't
got a
blurry.
fucking car. Look.
The photos don't have to be perfect. They just have to remind you of a
Give me your fucking cars.
Everyone loves taking
Hi, guys.
and everyone has a very lovely
This one, Max.
Today, Peppa and her play group are at a juice stand. They're learning how juices made.
And this is the fruit squeezer. It squeezes all the juice out of the oranges.
Can I try squeezing oranges, Miss Rabbit?
Of course.
Uh,
Everyone is having lots of fun squeezing the oranges.
That's okay. Next up, we have the
awesome. Alright, so.
This is where the juice is put into cartons. We
Oh, yeah, so,
flavour with the picture on the cartons. What flavour is this one? Well done, Mandy. Press the red button to fill it up. And how about this one?
do you talk about her? Next. Dang, it's not funny. Don't tell me. I'm mad. I'm. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Ah! Look at the fuck. Look at the max.
Everyone thinks the rainbow juice
Ah!
Tic Tac.
Ah! What the? Ah! Are you recording?
But to make it fun,
Shoo!
Today, Della's Playroom is having a very special lesson.
Alright, up here.